Tonight we're making super simple venison tacos using my cabin pantry venison. You'll need some medium-sized tortillas, fresh grape tomatoes, iceberg lettuce chopped up, plus guacamole, sour cream, salsa, and some grated cheese, fresh cilantro on top. It's a really easy meal that comes together fast but still feels fresh and hearty. Start by chopping your veggies and grating your cheese, then set everything so that it's within reach. Heat up your canned venison just slightly, then use 2 forks to gently pull it apart. If you've got a gas stove, place tortillas directly on the flame for a few seconds on each side until they are lightly charred. Otherwise, just warm them in the oven until soft. Now it's time to assemble the tacos. Spread a little sour cream or guacamole on the tortilla first, then add your warmed venison and sprinkle on some cheddar cheese. Top with lettuce, tomato, and a spoonful of salsa, then finish with fresh cilantro. Repeat with as many tortillas as you'd like. Enjoy!